A nonconformity report, NCR, sometimes also called a nonconformance report, is a document that records and addresses an instance where something, a product, service, process, etc., fails to meet its desired or expected standards. Here's a breakdown of what an NCR typically includes. 1. General description of organization. 2. Nonconformity standard. 3. Severity. 4. Evidence. 5. Major finding. 6. Corrective actions required. Below is a sample format for a nonconformity report related to noise in a neonate intensive care unit. NICU. Nonconformity report. General description of report. Organization name, XYZ Hospital. Identified hazard, noise in the neonate intensive care unit. NICU due to a high rush and alarm system activities. Nonconformity standard. Standard reference, Hospital Health and Safety Policy Section 4.2, Noise Control in Critical Care Unit. Severity. Severity level, moderate. Explanation. The noise levels in the NICU exceed acceptable limits, potentially impacting the well-being of neonates. Evidence. Description of nonconformity, elevated noise levels documented during a random assessment on insert date. Date and time of identification, specified date and time. Location, NICU XYZ Hospital. Impact of major finding, immediate impact, disruption to neonatal sleep patterns, potential stress to both neonates and medical staff. Potential long-term impact, increased risk of developmental issues for neonates and heightened stress levels for healthcare providers. Corrective actions required. Recommended corrective actions. Install sound-absorbing materials in the NICU. Adjust alarm system settings to reduce unnecessary noise. Implement a staff training program to raise awareness about noise control. This template is just an example, and the details may need to be adjusted based on the specific circumstances and policies of the organization. It provides a structured format for documenting the nonconformity, its severity, evidence, and proposed corrective actions for improvement in the NICU noise control. Thank you for watching.